Welcome to SipTequila VR. Take a look around. This is what it feels like to be in a beautiful agave field. In all of these videos, you can look in any direction as I'm explaining the process of how that tequila got into your glass. It all starts here with these beautiful plants. They take anywhere from 7 to 10 years to grow. Then they'll be harvested by jimadors, cut into piñas, and taken to the distillery for processing. So let's head over there and see how this goes. We've harvested the agaves, and now we've arrived at the Patio de Agave at the distillery. Remember, you can take a look around in any direction while I explain what's going on here. Here we have our whole piñas. They're gonna get chopped in half and then loaded into either the stone clay ovens over there or into the autoclaves right behind me. Now this autoclave just finished cooking and is full of sugary cooked agave. Once that's finished, it'll go through this roller mill right here and get washed with water to create the mosto that will take over to fermentation. So now we're in the fermentation area. Remember, you can look all the way around while I'm explaining this. We've now taken all of this amazing cooked agave, washed it with water, and created mosto, which we've put into these tanks. Here at this facility, they choose to add their own proprietary blend of yeast, but other facilities might just leave the door open and allow natural yeast to float in from the environment. Now, when the yeast is done converting the sugars over to alcohol, we call it mosto muerto. From there, we'll take it over to the distillation tanks, distill it at least twice for any kind of tequila. After that, it turns into a blanco, or we take it over to the barrel room for aging. Let's go see those barrels. So we've distilled our tequila and it's come out as a blanco. If it's not gonna be bottled that way, it's gonna end up here in the aging room. Take a look around. There's a lot of barrels in here, and all of them age very differently. If they're stacked on the top, they're a little closer to the ceiling, maybe a little bit warmer, they're gonna age a little bit faster. And if they're on the bottom, they're gonna retain a little bit more moisture, be a little bit cooler, and age slower. Now, it's a master distiller or master blender's job to come in when the barrel aging is complete and blend them together for the profile that the brand is looking for.